Okay, guys, may I have your attention, please? Come to questions 10 to 13, and then we will go back to list of headings. Now, at least after doing these 4 questions, you are familiar with the passage. You know what it is and all that, okay? And if abruptly you start list of headings, it will eat all your time, and then you will have no time for other questions. Question number 10 to 13. Choose the correct letter. We call it multiple choice questions. Okay, now first listen how to do it. Step number 1, read the question. Step number 2, do not read the options. Very, very important. Okay? Again, let's go back to step number 1. Step number 1, read the question and find the clue word. Step number 2, do not read the options. Step number 3, go to the passage and look for the information related to that. Step number 4, find the answer. I tell you how. Let's do it. Let's do one together. Question number 10, maths textbooks in Japanese school are. Right? Now what we are going to do, what is our clue word? Maths textbooks. Listen, look here, look here. Now you have one thing in mind, that I have to go back to the passage and I have to see what are maths textbooks in Japanese school. Are they expensive? Are they good? Are they something like that, okay? So please come back. We look for the word maths textbooks. Go find it. Exactly, paragraph C. And there we find the word textbooks. Okay. All right, they use the word textbooks and exactly. So it means this is the location for that. Is that clear? Just mark the location. Right there, question number 10. Now please come to question number 11. When a new maths topic, by the way, for multiple choice, questions and answers are in order. So now you have to go on and on and on. Question number 11, when a new maths topic is introduced, new maths topic, please come back. Look for new maths topic or topic of the lesson. Topic. Paragraph D on second page. Got it? After the homework has been discussed, the teacher explains the topic of the lesson. Topic of the lesson means new topic. So it means for question number 11, answer is here. Okay, let's go on. Question number 12. Right now, we are not solving the test. We are only locating the parts of the paragraph or passage where there is the answer. Only focus there. Question number 12. I'll give you 4 minutes after that, okay? Question number 12. How do schools deal with students who experience difficulties? Students who experience difficulties. Now tell me, look for that. Students who face difficulties, for that they might use the word slow learners. Dull students, slow learners, and all that. Now just locate it for me. Paragraph E, second part, okay? Paragraph E and second part, and how do they deal with them? Please write there question number 12. Now come to question number 13. Don't try to find the answers now. Just locate it. The most important skill is locating the part of the passage where there is the answer. Question number 13. Why do Japanese students tend to achieve relatively high rates of success in maths? So high rates of success. Go on. Paragraph F, very good. What is the word for high rates of success? Major contributing factors in the success of maths teaching. So it means question number 13, answer is here. Okay, again I tell you, look here, everyone, please. Most important thing is to find where is the answer in the passage. If you are good at that, you will have no issue with time management. And if you are bad at this, first you will read one paragraph. Then you'll say, acha answer to yahan mila hi nahi. Now we read another one. Now we read another one. Then you go back to another paragraph. So this is how you will waste your time. Okay? Now I give you, how many questions do we have? 4. I give you 4 minutes for that, please. Okay, guys, may I have your attention, please? Question number 10, what is the answer? Okay, maths textbooks in Japanese school are. Please come back. Paragraph C and the last few lines. One teacher was particularly keen to introduce color and pictures into maths textbooks. He felt this would make them more accessible to pupils brought up in a cartoon culture. Fine? Now, please come back. Option A, cheap. Not at all. They did not mention anything. Please come to option C, C for cat. Written to be used in conjunction with TV programs. No, not at all. Option D, not very popular with many Japanese teachers. No. Option B, well organized and adapted to the needs of the pupil. Now, needs of the pupil, for that they use cartoons and all that. Well organized, for that they use color and all that, okay? So, B is the right answer. In multiple choice, instead of focusing the right answer, if you guys focus and eliminate the wrong options, then you will come closer to the right answer, okay? Question number 11. When a new maths topic is introduced, what is the answer? Well done, you guys are right, very good. So please come to page 90, first paragraph. After the homework has been discussed, the teacher explains the topic of the lesson slowly and with a lot of repetition. Slowly means patiently. Lot of repetition means carefully. Understand? So for question number 11, option C. Okay, why other options are wrong? Students answer questions on the board. No. Option B, students rely entirely on the textbook. No, because teacher does it all. Option D, D for doctor. It is usual for students to use extra worksheets. No. So option C, it is carefully and patiently explained to the students. Clear? Good. Question number 12, how do schools deal with students who experience difficulties? A, all right, very good. Correct answer. Please come back to paragraph E. Second paragraph of E. And slow learners means the students with difficulties. Last two lines. Class sending them to Juku, private evening tuition, if extra help is needed, and encouraging them to work harder. Right? Private tuition, evening classes. So please come back. Option B. Option B. They are encouraged to copy from other people. No. Option C. They are forced to explain their slow progress. No. Option D. They are placed in a mixed ability class. No. So the right answer is they are given appropriate supplementary tuition. Now what is the word for appropriate supplementary tuition? They use the word private evening tuition. And in Japanese language, what do they call it? Juku. Now you can speak Japanese also. Juku. Okay? All right. Question number 13. Why do Japanese students tend to achieve relatively high rates of success? Thank you. A. Wrong answer. Congratulations. Listen. Why do Japanese students tend to achieve relatively high rates of success in maths? Please come back. Paragraph F. So, what are the major contributing factors in the success of maths teaching? Clearly, attitudes are important. Education is valued greatly in Japanese culture. Maths is recognized as an important compulsory subject throughout schooling, and the emphasis is on hard work coupled with a focus on accuracy. Hard work, focus on accuracy, it's an important subject. Now, please come. Option A, it is compulsory subject in Japan. They did not mention that actually. It could be, but they did not mention that. Option B, they means the students, they are used to working without help from others. No. Option C, much effort is made and correct answers are emphasized. Let's go back. Much effort is made. What is for that? Exactly. They use the word throughout schooling, and the emphasis is on hard work coupled with focus on accuracy. Hard work and accuracy. For accuracy, they use the word here Correct answers are emphasized. Effort is for hard work. Much effort is for hard work. So C is the right answer. And what is option D? There is a strong emphasis on repetitive learning. No, not at all. Clear? So odd ones out, and then you can find the right one. Thank you.